Hello, it's Mark Freedom coming at you, and I'm here to talk to you about my newest wellness device. So I got a lot of therapy devices, and this is going to be my newest. It's from the Snailax people. It's brand new in the box. They sent it to me for free. Thank you, Snailax people. They allowed me to make this video for you guys, so I hope you enjoy it. And this is a knee massager, a cordless knee relaxation massage device. It has the trifecta of vibration, heating, and massage. So I am really glad that they sent me this thing. I have what is medically diagnosed as old knees. My knees are very old and I have a certain amount of pain in them. So first I'm going to show you close-ups of the box, and then we're going to show you what's inside the box, and then I'm probably going to change into some shorts or something so that I can show it to you working on my knee and give you an idea of what that feels like. Here's the front of the box, and here's where it says touch control. So it's got touch sensory controls. I didn't mention that before. Inside the box, you'll find the user manual and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. And this is a close-up of what the device looks like. As usual, you have to pull off the protective plastic from the touch screen. Wonder what will happen if we just hit the on button. Oh, well, it came on fast. On the vibration, you have an auto setting, and then you have a low and a high setting. So let's turn that off for the moment. And then I assume this is the heat setting, which you have, I guess, low, medium, and high, right? Yeah, and off. Low, medium, high. Here we have a picture of the infrared in operation. You control the infrared and the laser operation from the on and off button. It's a short touch cycle, you see, like that. The laser blinks because it's intermittent. It's not on 100% of the time. So now it's time to change into a pair of shorts and show you my hairy legs and tell you what this feels like to have on your knee. Yeah, I think it goes on like this. Yeah, that seems to be correct. Hang on. Oh, okay. That was the problem. That was it. Reach underneath, put it through the loop. Time to fire this guy up. It's on a cycle right now, and I'm feeling the vibration on both sides. Not really feeling much in the front. That's where the infrared is. That's where the lasers are. I am feeling the infrared. I am feeling the heat. On auto, you've got a variation where it goes side to side, and then blah, 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 and then buzz, 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 buzz. It has gotten substantially warmer, but it is not at all uncomfortable. It is just a nice, comfortable, warm heat. I can tell you that wearing it felt really, really good. I don't know if it's going to cure anything, but right now, my knee, it definitely does feel a little bit better, and I didn't even have it on very long, just maybe about, I don't know, 8 or 10 minutes at the most. So I can tell you that it did have an effect on me. I'm 5'7" and I weigh 200 pounds, and this fit around my knee just fine. As a matter of fact, there's a little bit of extra space to spare. I like this thing. I think it's going to make my life just a little bit more comfortable, and that makes it worth my making this video for the product. Plus, I enjoy making videos for you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this one. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. YouTube loves that, and I love you for doing it.